odoo 14 bootcamp video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Slim. In this video tutorial we will discuss about manufacturing. So manufacturing app or module, as per name it's clear, when a company or when you need to manufacture some item or product, then here we create our manufacturing order. So if I give a simple example here, let's go to create. For example, a company, they create a chair. Already a product is chair here, but it's better we create the new one to be clear. Create and edit. I'm going to create a product. It's public price, putting here 100 and cost price 50. And that's it. I'm going to save. Okay, this product we need to manufacture, and if I go to in my products, I open a new tab. It's taking now, it's load, and here if I go to product which we create now, chair, this one, we have 0 unit and the price is 100, this last one. Okay, to manufacture this product, here bill of material, it's a very important and a good feature. We discuss later after clear this manufacture order. Here I'm going to create, let's say, pipe, create and edit. The price is 10 and cost is 5, and here I'm putting the cost is 5, so it's a storable product. To be sure about this, save. One more product I'm going to create, wood. This create and edit. Public price I'm giving here 50, and the cost price I'm putting here 20. It's a storable product, and product category is all. Let's say one more product I'm going to create, and the name is, let's say, bolt. Create and edit. Price is 2. Public price, let's say 5, and the cost price is 2. Save. Now we create our 3 products to build or manufacture the chair. If I need here the quantity 21, let's say, here consumable, it's not going to update, but if we need to manufacture 21 chairs, the consumable quantity will be changed here. So let's go and create one bill of material. I'm going to discard. Inside a product, go to bill of material. Here I'm going to create a bill of material. The product which we want to manufacture is a chair, this one which we created now, and here product variant if you want to add and manufacture this product. Kit means for like kitchen or restaurants. If you want to make a kit item, or even you can make this for like a box or like a bundle or package for um, manufacturing. So here I will add component. The first one which we need, it's wood. Let's say I need 2. Second, pipe, we need 4. We need 4 pipe to make one chair. And here last one, we create a product board. And board, let's say we need 10. Okay, so if you want to add here labor cost, you have to create one more product and make the categories uh, expense, can be expense, and choose a expense account. In expense account it should be salaries or wages. And that's, I'm giving you example here. I'm going to create a product. The name is labor cost. Okay, can be expense. And just go to accounting, choose here if already available. Okay, I'm going to create choose here basic salary, but it's better if you go and create one labor cost account or ledger. I choose here, go to journal information, the sale price 10, the cost price 10. No need for sale price, only cost, so because expense. Now save this product, and here I'm choosing labor cost. And labor cost, it's require 2. Okay, now I'm going to save this bill of material. Save. And now let's create our manufacturing order. If I choose here chair, now all our products is load which we create in our bill of material. Bill of material also choose here. And now let's say we need 100 chairs, and here consumable product will be updated. Now see, we need wood 200, items pipe 400, board 1000, labor cost 200. Now I'm going to save these manufacturing orders. Okay, and now it's in draft. Let's confirm. Okay, these not available in our inventory, that's why it's giving us not available. Now make it mark as done, because we just make these products. Apply immediately production. Now it's in done. Okay, if I go to the product which we choose here, chair, and now you can see here on hand we have 100. Okay, bill of material 1, manufactured 100. And if I go to product moves, chair, we have manufacturing order in warehouse 100. It's done because we confirmed. So let's go back to our manufacturing order. and the product which we choose here wood pipe bolt and labor cost. Let's go to our products, and here if I search here chair, we have sale price 100, cost 50, and on hand we have 100 items. If I check here wood, sale price, cost price, here we have wood minus 200, because our bill of material, and there in manufacturing we make it 200 in minus, because before we didn't have any wood in our inventory. If I search here pipe we have 400 in minus, sale price, cost price minus 400, and bolt minus 1000. This one we created. So it's very simple and easy. If you want to create manufacturing, or if a company manufacture some products, it's a very simple and easy example to manufacture chairs. You can implement as per the requirement of the company. So in next video tutorial we'll discuss about unbolt and scrap.